I'm Angie Wooden, and I work with Dr. Seba, and I am her cosmetic nurse and also a licensed esthetician. And I'm going to be talking to you today about the Venus Viva machine. It is a radio frequency nanofractional machine used to resurface the skin. It also helps with stretch marks and scarring. It helps to improve large pore size and hyperpigmentation and fine lines and wrinkles. And overall helps tighten the skin and give you a much healthier and attractive look. To prep the skin, we cleanse it really well, get all the dirt and makeup and impurities off, and then we use a special numbing cream, and that needs to stay on about 30 to 45 minutes. Once we clean that off, then we can start the procedure, and it uses a little handheld device that has little tiny probes, micro probes on it, and that will look like a sunburn over the skin once we get done. What the Venus Viva actually does is it delivers columns of radio frequency energy targeted at the tissue, designed to damage the existing collagen and stimulates the healing response in the body. Once the collagen has been damaged, the body begins to repair the collagen by replacing the damaged collagen with new collagen. The radio frequency also stimulates the body to produce new fibroblasts and the houses that create the collagen, thus increasing the amount of collagen in the tissue. This wound healing response creates a smoother appearance in the skin, plumps up fine lines and wrinkles, as well as treats acne scars, pigmented lesions, and textured irregularities of the skin. Once the face is numb, then we can start the procedure, and we have a chart that we use to determine what energy level to use, and depending on the patient's skin type, we can go over 2 passes if we need to. Afterwards, the skin will look like a sunburn. They'll feel some heat for that evening, and then by the next day, they are less red and there's no longer any discomfort. Once the procedure is over, I use a special Regenica healing cream that I apply, and for home care they can use a mild cleanser and some Aquaphor to help keep the area nice and moist. And then they need to wear lots of sunscreen and stay out of the sun for at least 2 weeks after the procedure. These Venus Viva treatments are usually every 4 to 6 weeks, and people usually buy a package of 3 or a package of 6 depending on the situation. Usually wintertime is a good time to do it because of the sun. You don't want to be in the sun 2 weeks prior, and you don't want to be in the sun for at least 2 to 4 weeks after. The duration of the treatment from the time you come in to the time you leave is probably about an hour and a half.